we go.
Hey everyone, Eric Sill here, Carolina Autos again. It's a nice chilly May morning here in Charlotte. Had a cold front blow through last night. It's colder than 50 degrees right now. But we are headed out to Mint Hill today to make someone's birthday a little bit more special. They wanted to see a car show, and of course with coronavirus or COVID, whatever you want to call it, North Carolina is on a pretty loose stay-at-home order. Just trying to make sure that everybody stays safe. So we're all getting in our cars. We're going to meet up at looks like a Food Lion. And then we're going to drive by this person's house. So I'm not sure who all will be there. I did see quite a few people mentioning it. And all it's going to cost us is an hour of our time and a little bit of gas. So to make somebody's birthday a little bit more special, especially during all this, I think that is a good thing to do. So I'll pick up the camera here when we get there. See if there's any exciting cars. Uptown Charlotte, right over by the 277. Digging in the dirt. Not a bad thing to do on a Saturday morning, I guess. we go. Happy birthday to those guys. And that's what the car community is all about. Now I just want to go drive. I don't know if we're going to do another lap around or not. We'll see. All right, guys. Well, that was pretty special. Make somebody's birthday better during quarantine. I had to chat for a little bit. Everybody kind of stood around, socially distanced. Got to talk to a few people I hadn't seen in a little bit. So good day. So this will probably be a short video, but that's okay. Say goodbye to Eli and his Mustang. Maybe when I pull out onto the road up here, we'll do a little pull real quick for the video. Everybody keeps saying that this thing has a no lift shift. So let's see how true that may be. Wait for a nice little gap in traffic here. So apparently, if I just roll on it in mode, first gear, and just keep the gas floored. Oh yeah, it does. Well, that's interesting. Try it again. Oh, well, okay. I have been shifting wrong the whole time. I'm sure that's not great for the clutch, though. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for watching another Carolina Autos video, and hopefully in the next couple weeks we'll be getting all the cars out to another mountain road. Seems like those are my most popular videos, just POV driving, not too much of me talking. Seems like everybody just wants to hear the car and see how it performs. So if there's anything that anybody wants to see me do, any requests, any roads that you want me to go drive, you know, within reason, you know, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, Tennessee, just anywhere in the Southeast, anything you want me to review, we'll do that. And it sounds like my friend Matthew, who's got an upgraded turbo Veloster in, is gonna let me drive his car for the channel. And the car makes like 340 wheel horsepower, so 100 and a bit more horsepower, wheel horsepower, than my car makes. Is that's gonna be a pretty serious drive. So I'll make sure I get a camera up so you can actually see my reaction, and then we'll do a POV drive with it as well, give it a couple launches and things like that. So you got that to look forward to, and some more of the clips from the other day when we went up to the Snake I'll be working on. It takes a while to edit these videos, and been busy with work, but I'm on furlough this week, so I'll have plenty of time. I'll get all this content uploaded this week. Should probably space the videos out a day or two at a time. And thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.